Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your Xbox and controller firmware are up to date, because updates often fix connectivity and power bugs. Next, check the battery pack or AA cells for proper charge and seating. Loose contacts cause shutdowns. Once done, go into Xbox settings and find power options to disable or extend controller sleep time so you can proceed without interruptions. You now dig into settings and connections. Open the Xbox Accessories app and change the controller sleep timer to a longer interval or never, which directly prevents automatic power off. Make sure to pair the controller again by connecting it with a USB cable to reset the wireless profile. This often clears intermittent disconnects that trigger shutdowns. Also, position yourself close to the console, avoid crowded USB hubs, and remove nearby wireless interference to keep stable power and connection. You finish by addressing hardware and verification. If the battery pack is swollen, old, or unreliable, replace it with an official or high-quality pack because degraded cells cause unexpected shutdowns. Apply firmware updates one more time, and if problems persist, perform a controller factory reset to clear corrupt settings. Finally, test the controller on another Xbox or a PC to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.